Well, hello again folks. Right, another day in the Vitesse restoration. My door's ready. I'm just gonna do the doorstep. I made this panel before, it's all cut in ready. So all I've got to do is weld this in. Just got it clipped in place. Nice tight gap along there. So we'll just weld that in. And then the target for today is to prep the back wing, the door shut, finish a couple of bits on the door, and then hopefully get this side in primer. At least get the wing and the door shut all in primer, and get the door hung back on again. So that's the target. We'll see how we do. Right, that's it welded in. Just put a light skimmer filler over it, flat that down in a bit, and then we'll get the locks and stuff off and start getting this side prepped for primer and the door as well, and hopefully get it all primed up today. Right, door's all prepped and it's hanging up. I hang it up off the ceiling on 2 bits of rope, pop them through a hole, put a pop rivet through them, and no, they don't fall off. I've been doing it like this for years and it's fine. It means I can get all round the door without any problem at all. Rear wing's all flatted down, door steps done. I've just got to remove the 2 locks catches. I pulled that out, put a bit of tape around it, and then I'll finish prepping round this door shut and then we'll mask it up and get a bit of primer on it. Okay, so that's all masked up. I've degreased it all. What I've got to do now is mix up a bit of high build primer and put it on. Right, that's it all primed. I've had the old gas blower on for a little bit and it's nearly, what's it, 78 degrees. Not bad, it's drying it off a bit. It's it'll take a while to dry properly, but it's looking okay. That side's all done, all around the shuts. I'm gonna put a little bit of seal around there now it's primed. Back wing's all done. And the door shut, looks okay. I did forget to mask that up, but never mind. I'll clean it off afterwards. So, looking better. It's gonna get a second coat tomorrow once it's dry. I'll let it cure off overnight, let the solvents come out of it. And then I'll give it another coat of primer tomorrow, give it a quick scotch and another coat of primer. I can see one little run on the door, but it's only a little one. Yeah, see what it looks like tomorrow, re-prime it, and then I'll move on to the bonnet. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Quick one today. Cheers, bye.